Okay, we start with the jive. So stay here. What's the most important for us? So first, we have one leg straight, one leg bent, just a little bit bouncing. And already, because it's going to be jive and swing, already start taking your rib cage to the side. Boom, 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 change. Boom, 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 boom. Now we will start marching in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for jive and swing, which it's not the walking with the legs, it's more swinging. The swing of the body create a stepping action. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember the secret of dance. If we move it with the legs, it doesn't feel very good. It doesn't look the strongest. If we move from the body into the leg, yes. So the body, this rib cage and upper body is guiding the hip and hip guiding the leg. Boom, boom. So you have to find a way, yes, to use your body to do that marching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for you, a little bit more using, yes, ankle work. And keep this arm here. If arm you don't use it as a corset. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also get used to count not only legs, but count rib cages. So let's say 1 is a left rib cage, 2 is the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now rock step. 1 with a rib cage, 2, triple step, and we like to do a compact chassis, so we're gonna do it small. 1, 2, triple step, 1, 2, excellent, triple step, and a 1, 2, triple step, 1, 2, triple step, triple step. Now remember, Isabel, try to keep your ankles together, toes apart, even when you triple step, so the feet doesn't go this way, right? Triple step. 1. Let's go a little bit closer to the camera so we can see the footwork. Yeah, here's better. And 1, 2, triple step, 1, 2, triple step, triple bounce. 1, and we try to create that bouncing sensation in the whole body rather than only legs. 1, 2, triple step, 1, 2, triple step, 1, 2, triple step, triple. And now on 1, take a look at this leg. So the knee is bent. Yeah, it's a 90-degree classic position, the same as you would do with rumba, but not this way. 2, excellent. Triple step, 1, 2, triple step, excellent. So that was the basic. Let's go to our choreography. Same idea, so we start, and 1, 2, 3, 4, hit 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we want to have 1, 2, 3, 4 with the body, a little bit soft energy. 5, hit it as strong as you can, so you have a dynamic. And 1, 2, 3, 4, hit it, 5. Very good. Now let's practice just this hit. Arm and leg, same time. Get here, 1, and get here, yes, leg here, very good, and go 1, excellent. So your leg and arm same time, 1, and then here gradually collect, very good. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here, points. Let's do just for exercise. Step, point, step, point. 1, 2, and look at my body. You see, I'm turning my shoulders, then leg, upper body, leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here one more secret. Here from the knee is a little bit faster, the placement of the foot from the fast knee straightening there. Yeah, let's do this. Just let's do for exercise. Step, cross, step, cross, step many times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, and I like your style. The way you do it is kind of almost like you with the corner of your eye look into your foot. Okay, let's back to choreography now. Remember, keeping this leg strong and straight throughout. And a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, hit 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop there. Now from here, bouncing twist. So put your arms here together, and I just keep doing that. Twist and twist, 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 twist. Keep swinging your skirt, twist, twist. Focus on your bum like you have a tail, and you want to wiggle that tail. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah, very wiggly, twisty motion. Just that movement. Twist, twist, twist. Twist, twist, twist. Make the skirt fly. Chest up. Boom, 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 boom. Excellent. Understand the idea? So let's go through choreography. Keep this arm straight, but don't let me feel the weight of your arm. So arm is straight, locked, but not giving me your weight. Yeah, so change like that. Great. And a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twist, twist. 7. Kick. Kick. Now from here, let's practice kick. Triangle. So most important is this triangle for our routine. Kick, get triangle. Now we have a small kick, small, big, small. So this is 8. Keep this arm straight. Now you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 is bigger and stronger. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, one little detail. You have to, from this triangle, you will try to direct your kick behind you, not in front of you. In front of you, we will do later on count 8, like behind you. So do that triangle. Yeah, so the kick should go this way. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Back corner, like you see that white table, towards the table. Yes, yes. And also the energy is a little bit different. We have a first kicks are 1, 2, small, small. 3 is big and strong, and 4 is small. So it's very important as well. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Excellent. One more time. Still remember. 8. And go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Yeah, even smaller, because we have only count 8 and count 3 are big ones. So other ones do even smaller. So we on the fast music can produce better movements. Okay, from beginning. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pa. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Yeah, put your hand here. Now twisting points, go and go ta 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 ta. Yeah, yeah. 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Yes, your favorite. Tick 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 tick. Keep twisting points. Boom 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 boom. Light and twisty. Light and twisty. Now the energy is light, so you don't have to bang every one like too strong. Go ta 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 ta, like wiggle your body. It's about hip turning, hip, 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 in quite relaxed manner. Yeah, left leg forward, beautiful girl. Go. Kuchuk, 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 tick, 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 tick. Now in, out, So it's small, 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 big, big. Small, 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 big, big. Now, this in outs with the bum, they're not forward and backward, they're up. So you always think up. Even it's small, 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 up, 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 not forward. Because if you think forward, back, it's going to go low. Yeah, in, out, big, big. And then reverse ripple, soften your knees to exit. And 8. Finishing that position, collect your tummy, point your foot. Point this foot, darling. Yeah, point your foot. Let's get from beginning till there. Excellent. Tired? Okay? Yes, we can. And a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy, 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 strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out, big, big. Boom. Excellent. Now next one. Very easy closing of the leg. Easy, easy, easy. And position will be like you bending slightly with the bum back, chest high. Again, from here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and strong. 1, 2. Easy, 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 easy. 7. Yes. Another arm just. 7, 7. And go basic. 1, 2. Easy, basic, easy, basic. 1, 2. And close, and close. In and down, and down, and down. Down beat. Boom, boom. Here, now point. Yeah, in here. Imagine like I'm a boat and you're water skier and I'm pulling you. So connect your joint. Very good. I'm a boat. I'm pulling you. 2. Yes, yes, yes. First connect. Connect. And then on that connection, I will start changing your direction. See, first you have to be the boat. You are the man in the boat. I'm a water skier. So I get this connection. Now feel that string. It's very powerful. So stay there, stay there. Don't come forward. And now he will try to rotate you and you will react with your movements. Yes? So don't go forward. Go actually backward. Boom. 2, 3. Pull back. Pa, pa, pa. Yeah, I have to stay back. I have to go backward. Yeah, even I pull you forward, you have to resist backward. And go. 1, 2, 3. Pa, 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 pa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. Pa, 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 pa. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Yeah, and here, a rock step, basics. 2, triple turn, 1. Knee up. And finish of our swing / jive.